Subtitles created by Dima Torzak. Hello friends. This is the Auger Tech channel. Today I want to tell you about our line of equipment, namely machines Firia GP, which produce auger coils and auger sections. The equipment can be used in any industry where augers are used. This is the agricultural industry, it is road construction, well, and in principle, everywhere where any bulk material, this machine such a manufacturer can be useful. Let me tell you about the technical characteristics. Friends, we have in stock 4 sets of such equipment, namely machines GP20T with a force of 20 tons, GP30T with a force of 30 tons, GP60T. And GP100 with a force of 100 tons respectively. All of them differ in their design and capabilities. Our machines are capable of bending thick workpieces from 2 to 50 millimeters thick. Well, let's see. Right here next to me is a 30 millimeters thick Visistika directly. And behind me is a GP100T machine. So this is the machine that bent these turns of the screw. The most interesting thing is that the GP100T machines have a proversion function. You can put an automated die on it, which will produce tapered turns for you. This means that this equipment can be used by companies that are engaged in manufacturing tapered coils. In particular, we shipped such a machine to Latvia, and they used it there to manufacture augers for feed carriers. And you know that feeders are conical products with variable outer and inner diameters. And the world-famous company Trilith, which has purchased this machine from us now, produces its augers for feeders on our equipment, which we are very proud of. So, let us talk to you now about the automation of the machine. This is where the full CNC control comes in. It is available in many languages, including English. And we can enter here our parameters that the program told us initially, so that the machine is set to the desired geometry of the coils. So everything is automated. You cannot pay attention to the appearance of the machine. This machine is in our production, we work on it, well, and accordingly, this here is this shabby, it will not go anywhere, because the machine directly works with metal. Here we have a matrix, where we insert certain tooling, which we have patented. And there are also lifting mechanisms, as I have already said, for the production of conical screws. Here you can see that we have different pipe calibers, so that when we bend the screws, we immediately try them on for accuracy, geometry, and so on. Friends, this is only the GT100T machine. Let's have a look at other machines of this line of equipment. Come on, I will show you yours. Here we have a full bending section, yes, and this is where we make our screw coils. Here you can see behind me are machines from our line of machines, i.e. here we have GP30, GP20, GP60 machines. Here you can see the coils that were produced on it on these machines. You can see that the coils are of perfect geometry, all 1-to-1, there are no complaints. And also, as I said earlier, here are the different calibers of pipes that we apply. Try on our screw coils after we have made them. And here we have the operators, you see, inside the screw coils checking themselves. Here you see, there are small turns like this. Here's the operator now trying on the coil of the auger on the pipe, how he did it. Look at the bayonet. This is how it turns out. You can see that the geometry is perfect. Here we also have the operator making it. See, this is the geometry of the auger coil. Why am I showing this? You see that we use different geometries all the time, every day. And you can also use this equipment in your production and produce screws of any geometry. Let me remind you, from 2 to 50 millimeters in diameter. And we bent screw whisks up to 1.5 meters in diameter, that is, roughly speaking, almost as tall as me. This is the geometry our machines can perform. So, friends, if you use augers in your production, or produce augers, you can safely buy our equipment. All information will be on the link in the description. You can read the technical specifications there, as well as leave an application. The manager will call you and help you choose the best equipment for your needs. I have already said that our equipment is able to fulfill absolutely any geometry of the chief. You can make sure both on this video and on other videos on our channel. So check it out, and we look forward to having you among our satisfied customers. Thank you for your attention.